Hello. Welcome to Projects in ChatGPT. How can I assist you today? I can provide information about our key features, help schedule appointments for expert discussions, or assist with class bookings.
Yeah, hi. Can you tell me about the features of projects in ChatGPT?
Sure. You can create tailored AI assistants for different tasks like learning games or project management. You can also share these custom AI setups for use in various educational, professional, and creative scenarios. Plus, we have advancements in personalized AI with video and voice model integrations for more dynamic interactions. Does that sound good?
That sounds useful. How does it help with collaboration?
It helps with collaboration by allowing teams to create customized AI assistants that can manage projects, share information, and streamline communication. This way, everyone can work more efficiently and stay on the same page. Are you looking to use it for a specific project?
Not right now. I need to schedule an expert discussion about using projects in ChatGPT for my team. Can you help with that?
Of course. Can you please share your full name, contact number, and the purpose of the appointment? I'll help you get it scheduled.
Great. My name is John Doe. My contact number is 987-654-3210. I'd like to schedule a discussion about using projects in ChatGPT for team collaboration.
Thank you for confirming. I've scheduled your appointment for tomorrow at 2 p.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly, and someone from our team will reach out to you for the discussion. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you so much for your help.